Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us solve one more problem related to impairment loss. A company purchased PPE 10 lakh worth 10 lakh thousand rupees with 10 years life. At the end of fourth year, the asset is tested for impairment loss. The market price of a similar PPE is 5 lakh rupees. So the market value of similar PPE is 5 lakh rupees. The asset is expected to generate 1,20,000 cash flow every year. So every year the asset is expected to give 1,20,000 cash flow at a discount rate of 5%. So the discount rate is 5%. Calculate impairment loss and pass the entries. So first, the formula to find out impairment loss is carrying value minus recoverable value. For that, we need to find out the carrying value. So carrying value after 4 years, because we are testing the asset after 4 years, we are testing it for impairment loss. For that, we have to first find out the depreciation. So to find out depreciation, we have to take cost minus residual value divided by life of the asset. So the cost of the asset is 10 lakh. There is no residual value. The life of the asset is 10 years. So the depreciation will be 1 lakh rupees per year. So 1 lakh rupees for 1 year. 1 varshake depreciation 1 lakh rupees. So here after 4 years we are testing the impairment loss. So depreciation will be for 4 years. So 1 lakh into 4 years. 1 lakh into 4 years will be 4 lakh. So the cost of PP is 10 lakh rupees. From that I have to subtract 4 lakh rupees the depreciation amount. The remaining 6 lakh rupees will be the carrying value. This is the carrying value. Next I have to find out the residual value. So now to find out the residual value, I need to compare two things. That is fair value less cost of disposal and value in use. So fair value. So value of similar PP is 5 lakh rupees. There is no cost of disposal, but value in use we have to find out. So this is the formula to find out discounting factor. 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. So the discounting factor is 5%. So 5% can be written as 0.05. So 1 divided by 1 plus 0.05 will be 1 divided by 1.05. So when I divide both, you will get 0.95. So 0.95 is the discounting factor of first year. Again, if you keep on pressing the equal symbol, you will get for all the 10 years. So they have told that each year it will yield the cash flow of 1,20,000. So I have written the cash flow of 1,20,000 in all the 10 years. I have to multiply it by the discounting factor. Once I multiply it by discounting factor, I will get the present value. Andre 10 varsha admele, suppose 10 varsha admele 1,20,000 rupees ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋ ಆ 1,20,000 ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. So today's value is 73,200. So now we are testing the assets for impairment loss after 4 years. So don't consider the 4 years amount. 4 ವರ್ಷ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ 6 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 93,600 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8,52,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 81,600 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 76,800 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 73,200 ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5,04,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This 5,04,000 rupees is the value in use. It is a value in use. So 5 lakh and 5,04,000, whichever is higher. 5,04,000 is higher. So 5,04,000 will be considered as a recoverable value. Now we need to find out the impairment loss. The formula to find out the impairment loss is carrying value minus recoverable value. Carrying value we have found out that it is 6 lakh rupees. Recoverable value is 5,04,000 rupees. You have to subtract both. When you subtract both, you will get 99,600 rupees. 99,600 rupees is the impairment loss. In the question, they have asked you to show the journal entry. So the journal entry will be impairment loss account debit to PPA account. So 99,600 I will write in the debit and credit column.